Unboxing the FOKUSE Joy Stitch FKS-1501 Embroidery Machine. First, use flathead screwdriver to remove the clips on the top. Keep the clips on the lower half to prevent the wooden board from falling off. When removing them, it's best to press one end with your hand. Insert a screwdriver into this slot and pry it open easily. Remove the top board and set it aside. We can see the accessories and machines inside. Take out the wooden board, cap hoop, cap station. Remove the clips from the board near the accessories side. It is safer to have another person hold the board while you are removing it. Then take down the board and set it aside. Take out the toolbox. Aluminum frame. Flat table. Casters. Garment hoops. Machine stand. Manual. Remove all remaining clips and move the wooden board to the side. Remove the plastic film from the machine. Take out the remaining accessories, frame holder, big garment hoop, stand base, stand brace. There are two bolts at the bottom that secure the machine to the wooden board. So use a 10mm hexagon wrench to loose the bolts.